Let's look at now factoring polynomials. So by now you've added and subtracted with polynomials, and you've learned how to multiply your polynomials. So what if we want to take an expression like this and factor it out? So if we are comfortable with multiplying our polynomials, we can kind of look at that and imagine what we would need, what two binomials we would need in order to arrive at that. So we know to get a w squared, we would need a w times a w, right? And then we've got a negative 4 here, so something multiplied by something will give you 4. It's going to be a 2 and a 2, right? Because that's a negative 4, one of these needs to be a positive, one of these needs to be a negative, okay? And if you want to check that after you factor it out, multiply it and see if you arrive at your original expression. So if we multiplied that out, so w times w will give you a w squared. W times negative 2 will give you a negative 2w. And multiply this 2 out. So 2 times w will give you a positive 2w. And a 2 times a negative 2 will give you a negative 4. And then you would combine your like terms, which are these. So drop that down. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0, so that cancels out. And then that negative 4 just comes along. So you can see how we went from this to factoring it out, and then we multiplied it just to check to make sure we were correct. Okay, let's look at number 2. So again, we're going to need a binomial times a binomial. So obviously we've got an a here and an a there to get our a squared, and we would have a b here and a b there to get a b squared. That's a negative, so that lets us know we need a plus and a minus to factor that one out. Okay, so we tried this worksheet, and then we will try the next one.